Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I will show you if the payment from Merge Happy Chicken was credited to my PayPal account. So let's go to Merge Happy Chicken. As you can see here, I got $206.58. Let's check it out. You can see here, PayPal $10 is already finished and $20 is already finished. The $50 I can withdraw it right now. Let's withdraw it. As you can see, it is already processing. So we will check if the $10 and $20 will be credited to my PayPal account. Also, in my Purple Diamond, I already earned that 100,000 Purple Diamond equivalent to $10. It's already says here that it is finished. So let's go to our PayPal account and check if there's any payment. As you can see here, negative. It's already been a week since I was playing Happy Merge Chicken, but as of today, August 31 to 2020, still they didn't send me the payment. So that's all for this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.